Okay, hello guys! Andito ako ngayon kasama ang mga naggagwapuhang candidates ng Mr. Friendship International Philippines 2026. Halina't kilalanin natin sila guys. Okay, pakilala na po kayo.
Hello guys, I'm Harvey M. Melo. I'm representing Pangasinan.
Okay.
Hello everyone, I'm Clark Bautista representing Cubao, Pampanga.
Hi everyone, I am Carl Christian Nama representing Tarlac.
Okay, ikaw muna una kong tatanungin. Ano ang mensahe mo sa mga kabataang gustong sumali sa pageantry?
Okay, that's a good question. So first of all, sa lahat ng mga kabataan na gustong sumali sa pageantry, maniwala kayo sa inyong sarili. Don't lose the confidence that you have. Every step naman, umpisa palagi is napakahirap. But along the way, if na-experience nyo na siya, masaya siya, and make sure na enjoy nyo palagi yung magiging journey ninyo. Kasi along the way, marami kayong matutunang lessons, marami kayong ma-acquire na memories na pwede ninyong i-apply sa inyong personal life. How about you?
Okay, ito ibang question sa'yo. Paano mo gagamitin ang iyong titulo kung ikaw ang mananalo?
I use this platform, I believe, because I have a great influence to inspire an empowered individual to aspire and dream and go beyond the limits of life.
Okay, sa'yo iba namang question. Okay, eto naman ang sa'yo. Ano ang masasabi mo sa mga nagsasabing ang pageant ay tungkol lamang sa kagwapuhan?
Para po sa akin, ang pageantry is not all about beauty. Kasi po meron po tayong advocacy behind it. Lahat po ng candidates na sumasali sa pageantry is may pinaglalaban. At depende na po yun kung ano yung pinaglalaban nila. But we will use our voice for change, for corruption, and education, quality access to education. That's all.
Okay, ito, same question na ito sa inyong tatlo ha. So, convince the organizers, pageant fans, viewers, kung bakit deserve mong manalo as Mr. Friendship International Philippines 2026. Okay, tell them.
For me, deserve kong manalo. Actually, lahat ng candidates deserve manalo. But what makes us unique is our values in life. So, if mananalo naman po ako, that's because of my values, my purpose, and how will I serve to the people.
Wow, pang title holder. How about you? Bakit sa tingin mo ikaw ang dapat manalo as Mr. Friendship International Philippines 2026?
So yun, yung purpose ko dito, para po talaga makalaban sa mga ganitong pageant, especially national and international. And naniniwala ako sa kakayahan ko na ako yung pagkakatiwalaan ng organization dahil sa charisma, sa mabuting attitude.
Okay, same to them. Bakit sa tingin mo ikaw talaga ang dapat manalo as Mr. Friendship International Philippines 2026?
Okay, so we all deserve naman to win, but syempre, isa pa rin yung mananalo. If I will be given the chance to win this title, I will use this platform to raise the awareness in mental health, and especially yung aking charity, mas palalawakan ko pa siya. So usually, ginagawa ko tong pageantry para magbukas ng opportunity, magkaroon ng access sa mga tao, and mabigyan ng opportunity yung mga taong nakapalibot sa akin. Kasi I always believe na this is not only about the crowd, but at the same time, ginagawa ko to para sa mga taong naniniwala din sa akin. That's all.
Okay, so ikaw muna mauna. Promote mo na ang social media accounts mo. Go.
So you can follow me throughout my social media platforms, Carl Christian Nama, through IG, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok.
Okay.
Hello guys, you can follow me Facebook, TikTok, and IG, Clark Bautista.
Hello guys, you can follow me on Facebook, Harvey Melo, and on IG, Melo Harvey, and on TikTok, Melo Harvey.
Okay. Siyempre, i-promote nyo na din ang nalalapit nyong coronation night. Go.
So ayun guys, iniimbitahan po namin kayo on August 7 on our prelim sa My High Laguna, and also for our coronation night sa August 9 on Matrix Convention.
Okay. Nasabi, may idadagdag ka pa? Nabanggit niya na yung coronation.
So yun guys, supportan niyo din kami sa voting namin, Sis Protect. Ayan.
Ikaw, may idadagdag kang
So if you are interested to buy tickets for the coronation night, don't forget to ask or to inquire through our Facebook page, which is the Mr. Friendship International Philippines. Thank you.
Okay, eto palambing lang. Pa-promote na din ang aking page, Miss Lala Loves Pageantry.
So guys, don't forget to like, follow, share Miss Lalala Pageantry for the upcoming pageant events. Ayan.
So yun guys, follow niyo si Miss Lalala.
So guys, if you want to stay informed, please follow Miss Lala Loves Pageantry.
Okay, ayan. Support natin sila guys. Talaga namang well-deserved sila na magkaroon din ng crown for the coronation night. Okay, see you! Thank
Thank
you.
you so much.
Okay.